Assalamu alaikum.
Awesome.
It's from chapter 41, and I'm translating it. I'm explaining the meaning to you. It says here, then he completed them as 7 heavens in 2 days.
I didn't say that in the lecture.
No, I'm looking a bit further ahead in this. I'm seeking information for myself because it says further on. And he assigned to each heaven its duty. We have adorned the heaven with its laws, meaning he commanded it.
Look, let me explain it to you. God says we created the earth in 2 days, right? And after that, it just says the earth. Then it mentions mountains and other things, including those it makes 4 days. And then the heavens were made in 2 days, so that totals 6 days.
No, sorry, I'm not talking about the earth part. I'm just referring to what is written there. In every heaven, its command. Meaning, within every heaven, we are being given different commands that we must abide by those laws.
You're referring to verse 12 of chapter 41, right?
Yes.
Well, that's what I was explaining, but you didn't catch it, okay? Now look, this is where I was heading. See? I'm saying the same thing. You're making the point that look. It starts from verse 9 of chapter 41. First understand what I'm trying to tell you.
Right.
It says there, قُلْ أَإِنَّكُمْ لَتَكْفُرُونَ بِالَّذِي خَلَقَ الْأَرْضَ فِي يَوْمَيْنِ. Look, I'll get to your question, but I want to point out that in the world, regarding these few verses, a non-Muslim has commonly raised a contradiction. They say that God claims to have created the world in 6 days. But when you read this, it seems like the earth took 2 days, then the mountains took 4 days, then the heavens took 2 days, which totals 8. So they try to show a contradiction between 8 and 6 days. I didn't know what your specific question was, so when you spoke, I thought you might be asking about this difference between 8 and 6, but you're asking something else. Now look, what I'm about to explain is how it is. I'll read from verse 9, okay?
Right.
قُلْ إِنَّكُمْ لَتَكْفُرُونَ بِالَّذِي خَلَقَ الْأَرْضَ فِي يَوْمَيْنِ وَتَجْعَلُوا لَهُ أَنْدَادًا ذَلِكَ رَبُّ الْعَالَمِينَ. Why do you disbelieve in him who created the earth in 2 days? And do not set up equals to him, do not make partners with him. Now here we are basically pointing out the 2 days. Moving on, and he made it, the Lord of the worlds. Now it says, and he made in it, he made the earth, and what did he do inside it? In it he placed anchors, he put anchors from above it, on top of it. وَبَارَكَ فِيهَا وَقَدَّرَ فِيهَا أَقْوَاتَهَا فِي أَرْبَعَةِ أَيَّامٍ. He blessed the creation, bestowing it with his favor, and then gave it the power and strength it needed to endure. So it is said here that these became 4. So these people calculate 4 plus 2 as 6. But it is a continuation of the same earth. First 2 were mentioned, but what happened on that earth is described further here. So we will not make it 2, 4, and 6. We will take it as 4, the earth and its creation. What more was created upon it? Then he turned towards the sky, now towards the heavens. ثُمَّ اسْتَوَى إِلَى السَّمَاءِ وَهِيَ دُخَانٌ فَقَالَ لَهَا لِلْأَرْضِ ائْتِينَا طَوْعًا أَوْ كَرْهًا. Now these 2 days for the heavens have come again. So generally a prevalent concept is this, that the earth was made in 2 days. Mountains and such were made in 4 days and 2 days, so these become 8. I thought perhaps you were asking this.
In this, what is written further ahead, and he inspired in every heaven its command. This word command here.
Now you are going even further ahead.
No, it is within this. I mean, further on.
Yes, you're going to verse 12, right? فَقَضَاهُنَّ سَبْعَ سَمَاوَاتٍ فِي يَوْمَيْنِ وَأَوْحَى فِي كُلِّ سَمَاءٍ أَمْرَهَا وَزَيَّنَ السَّمَاءَ الدُّنْيَا بِمَصَابِيحَ وَحِفْظًا ذَلِكَ تَقْدِيرٌ عَزِيزٌ. Now what are you asking about this?
I am saying that in this, where its command is written, here in my translation, it is written as law. Is there a different law within every heaven, or is there a different law for the world?
Where is different law written?
In mine, I mean, it is written in the translation I have. Please clarify this a bit.
No.
Please clarify command.
وَأَوْحَى فِي كُلِّ سَمَاءٍ.
Yes.
Now it is this. And he inspired in every heaven its command. It is one, but he will command every heaven. And we adorn the heaven, and the world's world means the heaven in relation to the world. Like whether it is an upper place or a lower place. Which one becomes close to the heaven? The one that is spread out is closer. If it is small, it will be less so. So it says, وَزَيَّنَ السَّمَاءَ. Now your question is that here Allah is inspiring every heaven with its command. so that it remains exactly as the task assigned to it. The command given to the heaven will remain exactly as it is.
Does that?
It will do that. Absolutely, in terms of those sides. But understand this, one arc is one heaven. One arc, an arc of the circumference is called one heaven. It is very vast for us. To it, so that is why the thing is going on to infinity, to infinity. There is no limit to it at all.